Hello world, what is going on? It's good to see you back here on the channel for another video, and today we'll be looking at the exercise number 4, missing element from Codility lesson 4, where we'll use a simple for loop and a set to store all the elements in the array and then find which is the smallest positive integer that is missing in the array. And since the upper limit is not really that big, we can do this with a 4. It's not a big deal. So without further ado, let's get at it. Okay, so as always, let's go into Codility lesson 4, exercise number 4, missing integer, and let's read the exercise in Python. And it says, this is a demo task. Write a function that given an array A of n integers returns the smallest positive integer greater than 0 that does not occur in A. For example, given A 1, 3, 6, 4, 1, and 2, the function should return 5. And given array 1, 2, 3, it should return 4, and an array with -1 and -3 should return 1. So write an efficient algorithm for the following assumptions. N is an integer within the range 1 to 100,000, and each element of array A is an integer within the range -1 million and 1 million. So we are going to just store the values of n in a set, and then we're going to iterate over the array because at maximum this is 10 to the 5, which is not really that big. It's less than 10 to the 8. So we'll check if each n is in the array, and the first element that is, we'll check if n is in the set, and if the element is not in the set, that is the first smallest positive integer that is not in the set or the array. So we're going to return that. So let's get straight into the code. Start the test. So let's go ahead and start the test. Next. Skip. Start. Okay, let's select Python here. Okay, so let's create the set first. So numbers set equals set. Then we're going to add all the elements in the array for n in A, or for element in A. Let's add this to the set. Numbers set dot add element. Okay, so for this last part, we are going to iterate over all the numbers between 1 and the last possible element that could be in the array, plus 2. Because plus 1 is the last element of the array if it's all consecutive, and plus 2 will go over the next element in case all the elements are ordered in the array and we want to get the next element to that, which would be the last smallest possible integer that is not in the array. So let's go ahead and check if I is in numbers set. If I is not in numbers set, we're going to return I. And that's it. We're going to return, this is numbers set. We're going to return anything or otherwise. Okay, let's run this and see if it works. It seems to be working fine. Let's go ahead and submit the task. Let's wait for the result. And we got a results back with a task score and a correctness score of 100, and we got a time of ON, or n times log n, because it's looking this into the elements of the sets. Okay, so that was it for today's video. We saw how using a set and a simple for we can find the smallest missing integer in an array. And that's it for Codility lesson 4. On the next video we'll start with the first exercise of Codility lesson 5. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!